Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. In this time we check how to watch Netflix from different countries, so let's start. So as you can see, I'm here on Netflix and my country. This is the trending movies series that are now available there. So we can change it. Yes, it's possible to do it. Probably maybe you can change the count or something like that, but it's also important that for watching different series from different countries you have to change the VPN. And how you can do it? Well, first let's go to Safari and let's write NordVPN. Okay, if you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere. You can watch shows from anywhere and play games anywhere safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so check it out. When you do it, just register on NordVPN. And when you register, just click on the three lines on the top right corner and then just log in. Okay, when you log in, just go to the login part, and here we'll ask you for your email address as well as your password. Just write your password here and then just click on login, and then you will start logging on your account, Nord account. Also, it's important to know that plus your discount, you will get a 30-day money back warranty. That it means that you will have a discount and also the 30 warranty. If you are not agree with this, the money is back for you. Then when you are here, just scroll down and let's go to the part that says NordVPN. Just click there, then scroll down again and let's go to manual setup. Here in manual setup, just click here and you can change here the country. So let's think that we have to, or we want to watch the movies from, I don't know, United States. Just scroll down, looking for the country that you prefer, just click there and you will find a bus of VPN here. Just click on set up configuration and down you can start using the VPN from that country, guys. So that's just how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.